This is the STEDI side marker, so indicator light for the 70 series, 100 series and other models. So inside, when you open it, you have two foam gaskets, one for each indicator and two indicators. So as you can tell, much more modern, and I'll show you how to install these. So all you need to do is just push pressure on it. They're not held in very tight, but essentially just twist anti-clockwise, open that out. So what we need from this original is this rubber gasket, which is a little bit of glue holding it. But that will be needed to go onto this new one here. So on this, there's a line that goes around here. So you'll see on this foam gasket that we supply in the kit, this will go on and marry up with that little molding line there. So what we need to do is pull out the original glass globe, push our wedge into it. There's no direction on it, it just needs to go in. So this is the tricky part here. So there's an eccentric 4-pin locator. So you get the watt cables in there, and easiest way to do that is to go around until you feel it drop into one of them, which would be over here. There it goes, pushes in, and then just do that tight. So you'll need to fix up the gaskets. Make sure that's firm. Offer it back into the vehicle, and then click that into place. There'll be pressure against the foam, and then you should have a solid click. So perfect install.